So the first subtask of a digital clock and countdown timer project. So in this particular task, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be handling user input. So basically, if user gives input as 1, we are going to be redirecting them to the digital clock. And if user is giving input as 2, we are going to ask the user number of seconds to count down to, and then we are going to redirect it to the countdown timer function. First, we are going to import the time module, which gives us the current time, and the system module. And then we are going to define the user choice function, which takes choice as an input. And if choice is 1, we're going to redirect the user to the digital clock function, where we'll have a message displays a digital clock, but this will not be printed. This is just we are just initializing the functions over here. Else if the choice is 2, then we are going to take seconds as an input, and we're going to pass it down to the countdown timer function. And then once again, we have initialized the countdown timer function over here. And finally, the main function, we're going to run an infinite loop and take the user input and redirect them accordingly. So let's see how this code works. So let's say it's a digital clock. It's going to show us nothing because right now it's just initialized. And let's say we give countdown timer. It's going to ask number of seconds, and if I give 5, once again it won't show anything because we have just initialized in this particular subtask. Let's submit this and see if all the test cases are passed. So yeah, all the test cases have been passed, and let's move on to the next subtask.